Watch. You know the world, it's not a plan. Hear me now, man? A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know when me come for represent, in a full effect, you know it go already. When we aim up, crank up, load up and sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. You don't know a loud explosion, boy, yeah. What? The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. You have a skill for do this. If you can't do it, don't try it. I'm naked and I live off the hot pot with. Don't do that. You know what I mean? You see how much steam blast outside? And joking. Yeah. You see me? Things look at but right about now, things depend on the finish and I'm having no joking. They can take a peep. You know what I mean? I'm ready rice I get wicked. You see what I say? Really. Yeah, man. I'm gonna make one, she say, there's some nice goat meat me there. I stir up, you see me? With some Irish slice up. Some Irish slice up in it properly. So you know the 10-star one no deal with lollipop thing. You see what I say? Yeah. For real. Watch. I have to ask me have some chicken when I fry on the side. Because you know today is Sunday. A mad thing. So right about now, I see some local man a real up. And when them a real up and I talk about alkaline, I say man thief him style. And Vybz Cartel go over Facebook and make him know, say, listen you, whole heap of my style you kidnap. Leave the style thing alone and sing song for the people them. But sing each song and make the people them hear you. You see what I deal with? Which is right. You know what I mean? Because I'm an artist and that are the rightful thing to do. You see what I say? But right about now, I'm going to say, if enough of the people them want me here run with it and not go like them stupid. You hear what I say? Him say, popcorn thief him style, right? Him say popcorn a thief him style. And now and now do it right. Him to leave it to him alone. Alright. Popcorn a thief the man style. Say popcorn a thief the man style. Then popcorn thief him style and bigger than him with him own style. And that more know, because a popcorn we see get the international sign to over. And a long time we see him run behind Movado and think Khaled I go sign him for We The Best. I know him not get signed to We The Best. Nor I know him not even have an international hit record. You know what I mean? Him not have a tune we tear up at 97 or none of them stuff there. You see what I say? So him have a lot more growth for go. For even say him want to talk to popcorn. Because him not in a popcorn shoes. And if popcorn a thief him style, him supposed to take it away because him now do nothing with it. Now popcorn have the international, popcorn have the face of the dancehall. A popcorn we see a lot down the whole place. A popcorn album we see shell down the whole place. Popcorn are one of the most leading artists in 2018 when it come on to hit song. And then a lollipop thing, a popcorn we see keep the show them with twirling and jake them and etc. flying. A popcorn we see over London a sellout stadium and a shell it down flat. Is what I deal with. So I don't know if the style only work for popcorn but it not work for him. So it look like him for left that style the way I talk about and try find a style where work for him because the style we I talk about not working for him. You see me? Him stuck one place right now. You see what I deal with? This is not 2016, this is 2019. Him stuck one place right now. Him name not out in the street like that. Him name just there in him fans them heart. Him name not there in a out nice street like that. Or the six them me hear out there. You see what me I deal with? And if him continue same way, him have a bad fucking time passing massacre. Cause I don't know if you don't see how him just a take him time cement himself in a dancehall concrete foundation way. A real talk me I make you know. You see what me I deal with? So this thing will get harder and harder for him. Because right now, you know, I don't know if you see it, you know, but what goes around comes around people. No for no probably vex over what I go say, but let me tell you something. The thing catch up with him own mouth, you know what I mean? You have to watch what you say out of your mouth. Him own a levels thing catch up with him. And right now the man them leave him like a lever upon a wall and gone left that. Him own levels thing catch up on him. Him seem stuck at one level. Him not supposed to the other level here to the way how him did bust and the hype where him did have behind him. Him supposed to been have an international contract. Been have international song will lock down international market and international chart. Him not have none of them thing there. And a long time him there now. And a long time him there run behind Movado. You see what I deal with? From Vybz Kartel say Clark's popcorn no look back. You see what I deal with? So, what I really do, I try to get the hype off a popcorn name, but that not gonna work no more. A song the people them want. You have to go do good song and big song. You know what I mean? Because I use not Movado, you know. Kyo Movado cool out. I not gonna lie on him get good rhythm, big rhythm, him drop him thing, you can't stop him. Him have that demands there in him voice. You know what I mean? Use not Movado. A real thing. And your name not concrete in the business like where you think it is. For you to do what you do. That's why you have to come out of your league. No one challenge social media to get your thing hype out there. But when the youth them did want challenge you and them shit there, you run and you sell levels. Because you never want challenge them youth there. You want pick certain man for challenge. And when the man them want challenge you, run and sell levels. Now it catch up on you. Make me ask you something. Do you think popcorn are going to look on you? I laugh, I'm going to laugh off of you, you know. I can bet you anytime you hear nothing about popcorn put out nothing. It going to be some form of gimmicks business. The man got gimmicks you out, dog. Because you like joke to him. Right now. You like baby to him. You might go gimmicks you out, dog. A real thing, man, I tell you. You might go deal with it and make you look like some Disney World patient. You know what I mean? Like some top nerd. Them type of level there. So not until you find some big song and get back yourself in demands before you can even come out and try for utter them shit there. Because you claim man take your style and this man where you claim take your style, as what you say, and the style where you claim the man take make him more successful than you and bigger than you in a dancehall and entertainment thing. So it look like the man use the style. So find a different style and put your best foot forward and don't think that look an intricate thing that go work on social media. Because it won't go as far as to how your fans cheer and the bloggers them cheer. I don't know. You never can defeat Gaza, much less unruly Adan upon it. So you know no lollipop thing. At the general, the 10-star one I represent in a full colors. You know today about 60 degrees and you know me in the kitchen. So you see how water run. But you know at least my ladies, you know 10-star and a waist man. Today Sunday, you know wash out your clothes and I wash the youth them clothes for go back to school Monday morning. Me's a man in the kitchen and shell it down wicked. So when you're done you can go hold a beard, you know what I mean? And if you're tired for stand up on your foot because you have to wash clothes, 10 stars a man will get a quart back and rub your foot bottom for you. So when you're done you feel light like a cork, you know what I mean? Because you know I'm going 10-star way we do things. What? General, 10 star.